Alright guys, it's been a while since we've done anything on the Cougar. So I have your dash pad here and then the rear door panels. I think the front door panels are in the back of the Cadillac there. It's still dirty. I have to get other chemicals to go through it. And it's still sticky in some areas. Like, you can visibly see it and I'm leaving fingerprints. But like here, I'm pretty good. Just a little oil leader and some of this all-purpose cleaner. It's working pretty good. I gotta go through here. There's some rough spots there, and obviously here where I'm leaving fingerprints. I've not done the sides yet. I haven't done the face of it either. That's pretty bad right there, but in some spots it's fine. And then your door panels in general are just dirty. I wiped them down, they're not sticky or anything, so. I thought it was stuck. But yeah, just cleaning that all, and then I'll get the door panels and clean them too. But not bad.